In one short year, I've turned dreams to nightmares. Let the gods of the game know I'm right here. To you new motherfuckers, Buzz Lightyears ahead of y'all, so be careful on that tightrope. I inspire all the rappers that you might quote, looking down on you niggas like white folks. You're entitled to believe all your high hopes when you can fool anybody with the right hopes. Let you sing to them, emotionally cling to them. With no pillow, you just selling a dream to them. Weakest niggas throwing shots, I just lean through them. I just laugh at them, fuck is he doing? I just wanna flip it, I just wanna sell it. I just wanna flip it, I just wanna sell it. I just wanna flip it, I just wanna sell it. It's so obvious in my clothes, you can smell it. Take a glimpse of my life as I walk through it. Powder everywhere like I drug the chalk through it. Caddy corner penthouse as I park view it. Hit the jackpot, bullseye, dart through it. Music, I talk through it, it's an art to it. Let the critics praise, let the charts do it. As I burn through this money, no thought to it. 80 cents could save a child, but I ain't opt to it. I just shop through it, cook and chop to it. Move heavy D, I should walk to it. We got our own thing, drop the top to it. This is block music, Waka Flock.